Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2008 Harley-Davidson SCREAMIN ELECTRA Glide Ultra Classic Anniversary. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2008 Harley-Davidson SCREAMIN ELECTRA Glide, with 40,037 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines 2-to-1 exhaust, an aftermarket Stage 1 intake, cylinder cooling fan with auxiliary switch, a Baker Plus 1 oil pan, 12-inch handlebars, and has been lowered in the front and rear. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Electra Glide puts 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Electra Glide has a 210 to 250 mile range. It has a 30.7-inch seat height and an 813-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the right saddlebag only locks with one key, but the electric locks all function. Only one key has the electric lock feature functioning. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's chrome pitting on the mirror housing. This bike has an owner's manual, 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.